best budgeting apps for Android 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about the best free expense tracker apps for Android in 2024. And in my opinion, these are going to work amazingly. These are money manager expenses and budget apps, okay? And again, as I stated, these are pretty incredible. They're pretty nice to use. They're pretty friendly to use, and we're going to get into all of them. So the first app that we're going to be discussing, it's called Fortune City, okay? So Fortune City is a finance app that you can get for yourself, okay? It's on your App Store and it's on your Google Play Store. It's absolutely free and it's definitely only for your finances. And the best part about Fortune City is its GUI. Okay, the user interface is really pretty. It gives you a really easy sectioning of working, and it gives you a really good concept of how the work ethic is followed. And again, one of the greatest things about your Fortune City is that the finances are really well handled, and you can get it absolutely for free on your App Store. Now, in this app, whenever you add an expense, you can expand the city in it, okay? So let's say we have this whole city and this civilization in this section over here, right? So there's the city, there's the section. So it's a fun interactive app. So if you add more finances, your city gets expanded with more things. So you know if your budgeting is good and or not. And in this app, you can track your expenses in a gaming way. So for every expense you add, a new building will add on in categories and it will show your expenses in according to their percentages. So you can also check out the income and balance in all accounts. You can view expenses and also from cash and credit cards. You can get a whole idea in the trends by selecting a category. You can track how it changes and each month how it perfectly works, okay? And it gives you a pretty good, well-rounded idea of how finance app works and how you can actually budget your money. Now, once we've got an idea of how we're going to work with the Fortune City, and in my opinion, Fortune City is pretty top rated. It's pretty nice. It's pretty good. From here, we're going to move over to an app called Spendy. Okay, this app is called Spendy, and it's a money manager and a budget planner. Now, the fun part about Spendy is that it's not only on your Android, you can also get it on your PC and you can connect it with your desktop as well. That's pretty incredible. And it says the only app that gets your money into shape, manage money on the go in the app. So you have all these applications over here to manage your money on. You know, have perfect control over all your cash expenses, bank accounts, e-wallets, and crypto wallets. Get a quick overview about your total incomes. Use their smart budgeting, how to get your money into shape. They give you the steps as well. So track your cash flow for yourself. Then connect your bank accounts, connect your crypto wallet, and add your cash expenses manually. Then you have account balances where you can understand your financial habits by analyzing your finance with beautiful, simple, easy ways to understand graphics, see where your money goes, and spend as much or as less as you can. Then make your spending stress free with smart budgets and a whole lot more. So that gives us a very nice and basic idea of how we are going to work with this application. Now, the best part about Spendy is that Spendy gives you a very nice and sleek learning curve. It's simple yet pretty good. So no bloatware yet, and the labels are also pretty much available. And you can also add photo with your expenses to give yourself picture references. And in your wallet section in Spendy, the cash wallet is pretty much free to use, and rest of options are available in the premium plan as well. So you can create a budget as well with a goal in different currencies, and you can select expense types, and you can check out more currencies for yourself as well. And obviously, if you like the certain app, you can obviously go ahead and check it out for yourself. Okay, now moving on to the third app that we have on this list. It's called Wallet. Okay, now Wallet is a pretty good and pretty well-known app. Okay, obviously make sure to write Wallet app. So Wallet is on Google Play. It's absolutely free and it's really good for your budgeting. It's a financial manager that you get. Looks like this, and it's one of the best financial managers in my opinion. You can actually sign up on Wallet by their website. And look at this. It gives you your finances, it gives you your budgeting all in one place in the easiest way. And you can get a pretty good and strong general idea of how you can work with the wallet app with all of its great features. The user interface is pretty friendly. It has pretty nice color schemes and it's pretty sweet to look at it and use it. Then moving on, obviously, you can manage your accounts by connecting your banks to this as well, and it has different use cases like budgeting, expense control, planning. You can also see why use Wallet. First of all, it's advanced. Wallet is simply smarter. Okay, it's just much better with its AI-driven categorization and analytics. Then it's absolutely user-driven. It's not a system. You can drive your own decision making your processes. Then it's absolutely private. You're safe from any other places, and it's DeFi as well, which is your decentralized financing, which is another thing that I like about Wallet. Okay, then moving on, let's go to the fourth spot, which is Money Manager. Okay, so here we have Money Manager right here, and this is Money Manager, expensing and budgeting. Okay, so let's open up Money Manager. And here we have all these things. So the easiest way to manage personal finances is Money Manager. You can get it on and use Google Play for yourself. You can download it on the App Store. And again, Money Manager is a pretty incredible and well-rounded app, and a lot of people use it as well. And it works like a charm. It works pretty incredible, and you get a pretty strong idea of how you can get an absolutely free a nice working scheme using all of these things for yourself, right? Now, Money Manager isn't exactly in the top lists of my charts because the features and user interface are a bit like it has a very steep learning curve, and I would prefer other apps over it. But again, it's a pretty good general app for the most audiences, and if you feel like you could use it and you could get along with it, then I would definitely urge you to use this for yourself, right? So, yeah, that's basically all the apps. Now, one more app that I forgot to mention, which is the final app, is called Money Lover. Now, Money Lover is the number one expense manager budget planner app where you can, as you can see, if you're a money lover, this is a great place to settle your applications and money. Simple way to manage your personal finances in the easiest way. You have your simple money tracker, and it takes seconds to record daily transactions, put them into clear and visualized categories such as expense, food, shopping, or income, salary, and gifts. So it's an absolutely free app with painless budgeting, and it has great features that a lot of users love. So those are all the apps that you can use for your budgeting and all. And that gives you a pretty good general idea of how your budgeting and financing actually works. Okay. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.